Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Is your Wi-Fi in need of a little bit of a boost? Then check out this Ubiquiti wireless access point. Having very reliable Wi-Fi is super important to me and my husband because we both work from home and are using the Wi-Fi all the time, and we have to have something that's really reliable and stable. These access points allow you to expand your signal coverage, and it doesn't use a lot of power. I also like that this is a very slim, sleek design, so you barely know that it's there, and as you can see, it just sort of blends into the rest of my ceiling, and it's definitely not an eyesore. We found that it is very, very reliable. It does an awesome job at really boosting our Wi-Fi coverage, which is super important. It was really easy to install, and after several years, it is still working great and it is definitely still going strong. So that's why we are really happy with this access point from Ubiquiti, and that's my point of view.